Hello children! Today Chirpy is in a very cheerful mood. She is dressing up for a party at Rory's house.
I just love my bead necklaces. But which necklace should I wear? The long bead necklace or the short bead necklace? I think the short bead necklace is going to look fine. Children, can you identify the short bead necklace?
Click on the short necklace. Try again. Well done, children.
But before I leave for the party, I have to draw the window curtains, but only the long curtain.
Click the long curtains for Chirpy's windows. Try again. Well done, children. Now, Chirpy is all set to go to the party.